Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Beatrice and today I'm going to talk about 7 natural home remedies that you can use to whiten your skin. Before I go further, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button and view all the rest of the videos and comment, give the videos thumbs up. Okay, number one on our list is dried orange peel and curd. For those people who don't know curd or who would wish to make their own curd from home, just get yogurt, plain yogurt, add milk to it, leave it to ferment for a certain time. It's going to form that wobbly substance, and that wobbly substance is curd. So in that curd, put the orange peel in it, leave it for some time so that it can infuse into the curd, and then put it on your skin. You're going to ask me where curd helps to lighten the skin, because you know orange peels, they are full of citric acid and vitamin C. You all know vitamin C, they are bleaching agents. So curd has lactic acid. That lactic acid is from yogurt and milk. So that lactic acid is going to help your skin to bleach it. Why? Because lactic acid is a bleaching agent. Number two, we have gram flour and turmeric powder. I was going to say turmeric acid. I don't know why I said turmeric acid. Gram flour, this gram flour is gotten from gram chickpeas. Those gram chickpeas are mainly grown in India. If you go to India, you're going to eat a lot of gram chickpeas. So if you need gram flour, go to to Indian supermarkets or groceries. You're most likely to find the gram flour from there. So get the gram flour and add it to turmeric acid. But before we do that, I'll tell you a short story about the gram flour. This gram flour was long ago used, so it has been used for centuries, and it has been known as a bleaching agent. So those grandmas or aunties or people of long ago who wanted to glow their skin or bleach their skins, and those people, for example, whenever there was a wedding, so before the pre-wedding, people used to use gram flour on their skin so that they can get that glow and brighten the skin, more so in India. So in India, you have to look so white during your wedding so that everyone knows that you were a very beautiful bride. So people, I know this because I've worked in makeup stores and I've faced Indians and they've told me such stories. So gram flour, if you get gram flour and turmeric powder, you all know that turmeric helps to remove those skin impurities and those skin patches. So if you add them together, put them onto your skin before you go to sleep. Okay, I'm not going to be repeating this thing of before you go to sleep. Each mask, do it before you go you go to sleep. Leave this mask for 30 minutes and do it regularly till when you get the results. But I know turmeric powder and gram, there, if you're of my skin shade, for example, you will get a skin shade lighter in 2 weeks. If you're darker than me, you're going to get it in a month or 2 months or 1 month and a half, because this is a very bleaching mask, the gram flour and turmeric powder. Number three on our list is milk, honey, and lemon juice. We all know that honey has alpha hydroxyl acid, which cleanses your skin gently. So through cleansing, whatever cleanses your skin, it is a bleaching agent. And then we have lemon juice, which has citric acid and vitamin C. So vitamin C is a bleaching agent. and we are having milk with lactic acid. So mix all these ingredients mixed together to form a paste. Use it, put the paste onto your face. It's going to help you bleach your skin. But do this for 20 to 25 minutes every day till when you get your desired shade. Number 4 on the list is oatmeal, yogurt, and tomato juice. Yes, oatmeal. We normally know that oatmeal is used to exfoliate our skin. I used to use this oatmeal exfoliator before when I had just started using makeup. I used to get some, I don't know, my open pores onto the nose, and other times I could see those white top things onto my skin on nose and below the chin. But when I started using this oatmeal exfoliator, they all went away. Now I use it once in a while as the oatmeal as an exfoliator. So oatmeal exfoliates the skin naturally and gently. We all know that tomato juice tomato juice is it has some acids as well, so it is a good anti-acne and a cleansing agent. It helps to remove the skin dirt and spots naturally, and it naturally cleanses the skin and it lightens it. So the yogurt, we all know the yogurt, it has the lactic acid. So oatmeal, yogurt, and tomato juice are going to gradually remove the dead cells from the epidermis layer of your skin, and then it will effectively remove the suntan, and it is going to cleanse your skin, and it is going to brighten and glow your skin. Number 5 on our list is lemon juice and cucumber. Lemon juice, we all know, we talked about lemon juice having vitamin C, which is a bleaching agent, we all know that lemon juice is quite harsh on our skin. When you put it on your skin, it's going to absorb all the oils from your skin, but it helps because if it removes those oils from your skin, it is going to help you to absorb those excess oils, which are going to act to result into acne. And then those the lemon juice, it is going to as well cleanse your skin. So after cleansing your skin, I feel like getting that popcorn. My husband has just brought me popcorn because he thinks I've overtopped. Instead of getting water, he got me popcorn. So I'll eat that popcorn. So lemon juice, it helps to remove, it helps that sebum to remove that excess oils, and then it helps you to stop the breakout of the acne. And it's vitamin C. It's going to help to brighten and lighten your skin. So what the cucumber will do, it will, if lemon juice leaves that hashy hashy way of attacking the skin, the cucumber is going to help cool or chill the skin. It is a cooling agent for the skin. It helps the skin to cool down from hashy properties. So lemon juice and cucumber, if you mix them and you put them together on the skin, you're going to get a very nice glowy skin. So leave that mask for 20 minutes only. Do it every day, and you're going to brighten your skin naturally. And number 6 is the coconut oil. For centuries, we've known coconut oil as a sunscreen. Yes, I repeat this. Coconut oil is used as a sunscreen. When you move outside the sun and you have coconut oil, just don't even worry about your sun getting hyperpigmentation. So coconut oil slowly removes the skin tan. just in case you're tanned and you've been used and you start using coconut oil, you're going to get back onto your normal skin, because coconut oil, it bleaches the skin, so it lightens and brightens the skin. Number 7 on our list is almond and almond oil or almond paste. You can use the almond paste. How do you use the almond? You grind it, you blend it, and then you add honey to make a paste. Honey, you know that the properties of honey, I talked about them from the beginning of the video. Honey is going to help you slowly smoothen the skin and remove those dead cells, and almond is going to act as an emollient, bringing back your top layered skin that had been lost through harsh moisturizers that we normally use. Slowly by slowly, it is going to cleanse and purify your skin, hence brightening and whitening your skin. So without further ado, I'm going to give you a bonus for this video. There is this okay, how a tendency, whenever you find someone who bleached well and their skin is looking so nice, you ask them, okay, what do you use? They are going to tell you these harsh moisturizers. For example, carotene, what else? Carotene. Okay, those bleaching creams that you know you normally use, or some soaps of the kind. I won't say that soaps don't help. They exfoliate the skin so well. They help in skin exfoliation, but they leave your skin dry because they are bleaching agents anyway. So, and they become harsh onto your skin. So these people don't tell you the real thing. And if they see that many people are asking them for their skin because their skins are looking real nice and glowy because they bleached, and we all knew them that before that they were really darker and now they are lighter, they are going to lie, and they are going to start making moisturizers or creams or bleaching creams in turn of lying to you. Okay, they will be telling you, okay, for us we use these creams, the one that we make, and then we become lighter. No, they are lying to you. There is this one thing I'm going to tell you in the next video that is going to open your eyes, and I'm going to do it in episodes so that you guys can learn more. By the end of the last episode, you will know exactly what to do and how to brighten your skin naturally using those agents people use. And then yeah, you look amazing. You start to gain your confidence, because most of the people, if they are dark, they think that they are not beautiful. If they are lighter, they think that yes, they have made it in life. Okay, even us dark people, we are liked. Okay, but it's okay to brighten your skin if you feel that it will give you that much confidence, and you make you know, guys' heads turn. So it's all right. You can do it naturally, or you can do it using those harsh creams or agents or anything, or property or anything that you guys use to brighten your skin or to whiten your skin. So in the next video, please hit the notification button and subscribe so that you can get so that you're the first to see this video that I'm going to bring you, that is teaching about those natural things for skin whitening. Without further ado, thank you for watching, and yeah, see you in the next video. Mwah.